Alright, so what we got here is something about a foot tall. Here's my finger span is about 6 inches when I stretch it. So on the porch, yeah, at least 10 inches. This is the ice mountain that formed out in my backyard, where the drip for the exhaust pipe of my furnace, right, where like exhausts the steam from the burned fuel, and then it drips down. It drips more than 8 feet, but it built this up. So here is a ink pen, right, and this is a Papermate profile gel 0.7 millimeter. And for size reference, here's this pen, standard ink pen, on the porch right next to this thing. It's how big that, that's just from what, 3 days? During, what was it, December 22nd through December 25th is when this accumulated. So 2-day period, about 3-day period that it grew this much. I mean, it would just grow and grow from the drip from that furnace, right? Really, most of this was created in about 2 days from the constant drip of that. But I picked it up and took it to my front porch, just for curiosity's sake.